Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and talk about, I just want to tell you the one thing that no one is telling you about the power lead system. I think this is super important, but no one's telling you about it. And who's the no one I'm talking about? Who's the they, right? Not the conspiracy, the they, but they are the affiliates who are promoting the power lead system. I think they may be doing all of us a disservice by not talking about what the power lead system actually is, right? Now, not only can you make incredible commissions, and I'll show you real quick, incredible commissions with the power lead system, right? You can make, $20 a month residually, and then $10 per month for the referrals of your referrals. So that's like 2 levels, right? So you can make $20 on your front line, then half of whatever your team is making. And here's a quick example of that. Let me grab this and move this out of the way. So if I promote it to Mary, John, Sue, and Tom, they each make these $980, $1,800, $3,500, and $400 on my team. They bring in that much money a month from their referrals of the power lead system. I make half of that, right? So that's how that works. And so that compensation plan is awesome. Comparable to this, check it. There's something called the multiple income funnel, and I'm not knocking it because I promote the multiple income funnel as well. So the multiple income funnel, you pay $49 a month, right, to use the platform while you're promoting it, right? The first income stream qualifies you to make $20 a month. That's only one level. That's almost laughable, but that's just the way that system is set up. Like I said, I'm not knocking it because I do promote that as well. But with this platform, you can, promote it, make $20 a month on top of $10 a month for your downline's downline, right? Which is awesome. So that's 30. Potentially, you can make some cash. My dog's crying for some reason, right? So anyway, so this is how the power lead system is structured. And I just compared it with the multiple income funnel, $20 a month. Why make that simple 20 when you can make residual viral type commissions from the 20s and the 10s, right? So, that is a clear difference there. And like I said, I'm not knocking it. I just wanted to point that out. So this is a very lucrative compensation plan for the power lead system for a suite of tools that will allow you to market any platform. Now, what people don't talk about is the fact that you can use the power lead system to market any opportunity. And here are just some of the things that you get with the power lead system. You can have a blog site. You get a library of full screen background photos. You can make unlimited capture pages. You can integrate videos. You can make bridge pages. You have unlimited subdomains. You can connect it with your autoresponders like Aweber or GetResponse. Those are the only 2. But there's another component where you can use that. I think Zapier or Zapier to integrate a lot of other things into it. So this is a very useful tool in the online space. And everyone needs a tool. You can share code funnels where you can create funnels and share them with your team so they can duplicate, right? It makes it super easy. So if you have a capture pages that's working, like I have a couple MIF or IPS capture pages that I have share codes for, I can share them with my other IPS downline or my multiple income funnel downline, right? So it's super awesome. And also you have a built-in autoresponder and, of course, the commission, right? But like I said, most people are not talking about the fact that you can use the power lead system as a tool, not only as a way to generate income for promoting power lead system itself, but also as a tool comparable to ClickFunnels. Now, let me touch base real quick. You got 3 components in any online business. You have your traffic, you have your capture page autoresponder, and you have the offer, right? Those are the basic components of online business. And once you master those 3 steps, you can be successful. You don't even have to master it. You just need a system in place, right? Let's keep it real. Because all you need to do is set up a system to automate it, run the traffic to the capture page, collect the data, automatically follows up to the data or the emails you collected, and you keep presenting them the offer over and over again, right? And that's how this works. And that's why it's simple to make money online, but it's all about the mindset. But what I want to talk about in this video really, and I get sidetracked a lot, is the fact that the Power Lead system is a useful tool to promote any opportunity, right? And I want to throw this example out there real quick. The Power Lead system, all-in-one marketing platform. Now, if I were to say ClickFunnels, what would you say? If I say ClickFunnels, you would say, oh, you can make funnels and you can use it to make funnels for any opportunity. Aha! Right? If I were to say GrooveFunnels, oh, you can use GrooveFunnels to make what? Funnels and promote any opportunity. Aha! But the Power Lead system, if I say the Power Lead system, hey, you can use it to make $20 commissions over and over again. And make funnels to promote any opportunity. And I think we need to reverse that so people can realize that they can use the Power Lead system as a tool to promote any offer and make commissions. Because you can make commissions with ClickFunnels on the backside for promoting it, and you can make commissions on GrooveFunnels on the backside for promoting it. So I say we change up the game and start telling people what we're not telling them first, right? We're not telling them that they can use the Power Lead system to actually run their business. We're not telling them that they can use the Power Lead system that they can use as a platform for a base for their business operations, right? And I want to show you just one example of how you can use the Power Lead system to promote, say, a Warrior Plus offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in the back office real quick and log into my Power Lead system back office and just show you a little bit. Now, as you're logging in, anybody who logs in, they're going to see the latest updates or any kind of upsells that they might not have, which also allows you to make bigger commissions, high-tick commissions, in fact, right? You can make up to $1,000 with this platform. You can make $1,000, $400, $100, and then your residual component. So the the commission structure of this platform is off the chain, right? And I love it for that. So I hit no thanks because I'm not ready to upgrade to that yet. As you can see, I made all of these green, so I'm already an affiliate. I'm at the diamond level, which qualifies me to make 100. I'm at the platinum level, which also qualifies me to make $400 a pop. And then I'm at the emerald level also, which allows me to make additional $90 residually per month. So the money is all in here. But what about the features that allow me to use this platform to do other things, right? So I can make my money in the Power Lead system, but I'm also an affiliate marketer. And that's where I feel that people aren't really emphasizing and telling you, right? So let's jump over to, I just want to show you one of my web pages here. And it's a generic page that I use to sell my Warrior Plus or ClickBank offers. And I just want to show you how simple it is. So let's go to test this link real quick. And I just want to show you what this page looks like. And it's so simple, right? It says almost done. Enter your best valid email to confirm that you're not a robot and access the system. Now this generic page can get you a lot of opt-ins because it's simple. It's when your solo ad provider sends, like say an email, the lead clicks on the email. The first thing they see is this and they're like, oh, okay. I wonder what this is. It's a generic capture page. Huh. And then they enter their email, right? So let me show you how you can use this simple capture page. And I'm telling you, the capture pages get a lot better. I mean, there's a whole bunch, but I just want to show you how you can use this simple to do anything you want. This system to do anything you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to Warrior Plus, and I'm going to grab one of the opportunities that I'm qualified for, and it's called Front End Unleashed, right? And so I want to grab my Warrior Plus link, and this is simple as it is. I jump back to my my Power Lead system back office, and I just want to show you something. Here's a sample capture page that I made that I mimicked off of someone's opportunity called the shotgun ClickBank method, And as you can see, it has multiple links here. And I can put these links to be whatever I want. And here's just a quick bridge page. I want to show you that there's awesome, you can do a lot of things. This is a quick bridge page. You put a video here and this link takes you somewhere else. Here's another capture page that I use for a different opportunity. This is for how to go from 0 to over 184,000. This is a simple capture page. So as you can see, you can do a lot more than just what I'm showing you with this simple capture page here. And I'll show you. So what I did is I made that capture page, and I'll show you a little more. I jump in the back office here, and I put my link, my Warrior Plus link right here, and back that out. That's my Warrior Plus link. And what I want to do is I can have it automatically go to a list. So just for this video, let's just say that that offer was like the 12-minute affiliate, because that's something else that you can do, right? Say that that's for the 12-minute affiliate. I should have just went there. Yeah, whatever. That's the next video. But what I would do here is I would already create an autoresponder series, which you can do. And as you can see, I called this one a 12-minute affiliate, and that's because I actually went to the 12-minute affiliate JV page. I grabbed a bunch of the swipes, right? And this is just an example where I would go grab the swipes, then I would put them into my Power Lead System back office, right? And build out my autoresponder. Then what I would do is use the 12-minute affiliate link here, okay? I mean, and I could do that too, just for the purposes of this video, just to be, congruent or whatever. So let's jump back up and grab the 12-minute affiliate link. And this is all, it popped off the screen, so just so you know. So I just grabbed this link. So this is my 12-minute affiliate link. It was off screen, so I'll come back down here. It is the same thing. So I just populate that with that. I back out here, and then I back that up, right? So then I hit this. Now you can make it say anything you want. You can change the background, do whatever, but I want to keep it simple, and I want to save. And real quick, so that's what this looks like. Now I can edit this no matter how and make it say whatever I want. And it's easy. You just come in and you just do all kinds of edits, right? I mean, it's simple. So I'll just click Save Changes. Real quick, just so I make sure this works, I want to come back to my edit basics, and I'm going to create a quick subdomain and just call it test 12, right? Just so that I know that it works. So I don't want it to mess up. I'm just, I make videos one take and I'm done. I don't try to keep doing them over and over again. So save changes, and here is the page that I just made. You can't really see it up here, but it does say test 12. Now let's test the page. Now it should take me to where? The 12-minute affiliate, right? Because that's the link that I put in. So I'll go here at gmail.com and I click confirm. And it also tests to see if I'm a robot. And I hit submit. And it takes me to the 12-minute affiliate sales page. Right? Now, the capture page was super generic, but it still did the same purpose. What I did now is I captured the email list, the email, added it to my list so I can do follow-ups in my back office, because that's where we were, right? Let's go back and take a look at it again. Because I had it set up to, this is my subdomain I created. Here's my affiliate link that we went to that presented the offer, and it went to my this is the autoresponder sequence that email will start receiving, because I built that out. And like I said, I have a contact manager where I have all my contacts going to, right? And I also have emails that I can create my own unlimited number of email campaigns, right? So that's how I can use the Power Lead system to promote a ClickBank offer. Now, like back at the other example, I was doing the Warrior Plus offer. So let's copy that, let's save, and I just want to show you real quick how easy it is to change that as well. I can have this same page, come in, change this to my Warrior Plus link, right? Let's change that to Warrior Plus, hit save, right? Now, I don't want to change anything else. I'll keep it all the same. That same almost done capture page, which is this, that same page, hit save, hit view. Now I'm back here again. Now I can enter my email again, but it already remembers me, right? So what I'll do is I just want to, for the purpose of this video, I'll just hit, let's hit refresh just to make sure that the changes were updated. And I'll hit skip the survey so I don't have to put an email in. And it should take me to where? Should it take me to the 12-minute affiliate? No, because I changed the link and now it's taking me to my FE Unleashed sales page. So that's how easy that you can switch between your capture pages, right? You can switch between your offers, right? So, but check it out. If I wanted to get really creative with this type of system, you can come to your capture page here, go back to edit basics. You can create a rotator that rotates between a Warrior Plus offer, a ClickBank offer, and something else. Put that rotator link right here, and then whoever comes to your capture page will get presented with those different opportunities. Because remember, the business we're actually in is we are trying to generate leads from the traffic source. We're trying to collect the leads from whatever traffic source we go to, whether it's organic, offline, or paid. We want to keep those leads, right? So that we can present whatever offer we want. So it really doesn't matter if we put a rotator in with 5 different offers here. It doesn't matter what they see. The important thing is that we're creating the leads, okay? So I hope that you really understand in this video is that the Power Lead system is something more than just a commission generator from promoting the Power Lead system. But you can also make money from using the Power Lead system to do what it does best. And that is an all-in-one marketing platform that you can use to promote Warrior Plus, JVZoo, IPS, MIF, ABC, 1, 2, 3. You can use it to promote any opportunity out here. And I just wanted to show you that because I feel that that's what people are not telling you about the Power Lead system. Now, if you're interested in getting more information about the Power Lead system, there'll be a link in the description box below. That's all I got. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.